Today I am going to start Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom from First Flight. About the author, Nelson Mandela was a great hero who gave freedom to the blacks in South Africa. He was born on 18 July 1918 in South Africa. He fought against apartheid regime of South Africa which believed in racialism. He spent more than 30 years in South Africa's prison. He became the first black president of South Africa. When his party came to power in democratic elections in 1994. This passes from a part of autobiography of Nelson Mandela titled Long Walk to Freedom. It is the symbol of the glorious struggle that the blacks of the South Africa fought against apartheid regime to gain freedom. The theme of this story: the lessons pays tribute to those black heroes and patriots who fought a relentless struggle against the apartheid or the racist regime of South Africa. Here we find the descriptions of the inauguration ceremony held in the Union buildings attended by politicians and dignitaries from more than 140 countries. Nelson Mandela gives a message of peace and unity of mankind. He foresees a new regime which will be based on equality of men and women. He hopes that in the new regime there will be no exploitations of man by man. There will be no room for racialism and segregation in the new order. Nelson Mandela says that it was the 10th of May 1994. The days was bright and clear. The inauguration ceremony of the first non-racial government was held in Pretoria, South Africa. It was the largest gathering of international leaders on South Africa's soil. Nelson Mandela was sworn in as the first black president of South Africa. On this occasion, Mandela gave a very memorable speech. He said that how for decades South Africa was the of which center of white supremacy. The structure they made the basis of one of the most cruel and the most inhuman societies the world has ever known. The victory over apartheid was a common victory for justice, peace, and human dignity. Political freedom, peace had been won, and now they would work hard to liberate all their people from the bondage of poverty, deprivation, and diseases. He also remembers some of his greatest personalities who fought for their country. Nelson Mandela thought that every man has two responsibilities. He has duty towards family and to his people and country. In South Africa, it was impossible for blacks to fulfill both duties. He was forced to leave an isolated life. Mandela realized that not only was he deprived of freedom, but his brothers and sisters were also deprived of freedom. This is the reason he joined African National Congress. It was his desire for the freedom of his people and their self respect that totally transformed him from a weak old man to a bold one. In the last, he said a very remarkable thing that the oppressed and the oppressors alike are robbed of their humanity. Both of them must be liberated. Now, question answer. Question number one: what is apartheid? Question number two: collect some information about Mandela and write in your notebook. Question number three: what kinds of problems were being suffered by the black in South Africa? Question number four: what are the two responsibilities of human being? Question number five: why did Mandela join African National Congress? Question number six: the Africans have to liberate from dash.